Making money online has become increasingly popular in recent years, with the rise of the digital age and the internet. There are many different ways to make money online, and with some effort and dedication, you can turn your online ventures into a full-time income. Here are some ways to make money online. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online. There are many freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where you can offer your services as a writer, designer, developer, or any other skill you have. You can set your own rates and work on your own schedule. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. There are many online tutoring platforms like TutorMe and Chegg that connect students with tutors for one-on-one sessions. Selling products online. You can sell products online through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. You can create your own products or sell other people's products and earn a commission. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission on each sale you make. You can promote products through your blog, social media, or other online platforms. Online surveys. There are many websites that pay you for taking online surveys. Companies use this data for market research and are willing to pay for your opinions. Some popular survey sites include SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks. Content creation. If you have a talent for creating content such as writing, photography, or video production, you can earn money online through platforms like YouTube or blogging. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or selling products. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area such as fitness, nutrition, or life coaching, you can offer your services online through platforms like Coach.me and Udemy. In conclusion, making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a great way to earn extra income or even turn it into a full-time job. With some effort and dedication, you can succeed in making money online.